Well, here's how this thing works, and it's not even full sun right now. Kind of overcast, but it's working pretty good. The only problem I'm finding is it squirts all the water out of the sides of the thing, and then it dries up. Because this morning when I got up, it'd been raining last night, so the bird bath was completely full, and look how far down it is now. And the other day I come home and it was all stopped because the bird bath was empty. So I need to try it with those straws in, but the only problem I can understand or imagine with the straws is that it's already near the bottom now. Only problem I can understand with the straws, or imagine with the straws, is there's no room left for the birds to get into the bird bath. Okay, what I did here is put rocks in there to keep it from floating around. My big concern now is that robins won't be able to get in there and splash around. So we'll see. It's an experiment. Here it is, almost completely out of water, and the pavement all around here is wet where the water's been spreading. It throws it out, and I put the rocks around here to keep it from floating around. But first thing that you could see is there's no room in here for robins to be splashing around taking a bath. And if it throws all the water out every couple hours, it's not much good either. The only thing to do is try a different nozzle, and so that's what I'm going to do. Okay, here this is with a different nozzle on the top and the straws on the side to keep it in the center. But we still think that there's no way birds could get in there in between the straws, but we're going to leave it like this for a while. The problem with the other nozzle that we used was that it was squirting all the water out of the bird bath, and I'm not sure the straws would have helped, but we're going to find out how this works this way. This is what the bird bath looks like from our living room where we sit and watch the birds every day. And here's the bird bath assembled as per the instructions, with these straws here to keep it away from the edges because it just floats around loose on top. And we've been trying it out for about a week now, and conclusions is as far as being a jet to squirt the water up in the air, it works great for that, and the more sun the higher it squirts. And if it's just barely any little sun, it'll do it intermittently. But one of the problems is if you use the fine spray, so it has 4 small jets that squirt up, they do go higher, but they end up squirting water over the sides of the bird bath, so it drains it pretty quick on a hot day. And we've noticed that also, since we put this here, we have not seen any birds in here drinking. There used to be sparrows, robins, and blue jays, and occasionally blackbirds and other birds, or grackles, not blackbirds, but anyway, we haven't seen any. The biggest use of our bird bath was drinking. Occasionally robins would bathe in it, but we've seen none of that since we put this in here. And so our conclusion is that it's a nice fountain, but birds don't like it. Julie said that she's even seen some of the sparrows land to drink and then fly away real quick before they did. We used to have like several sparrows up here at any given time. 3 or 4 at once drinking out of here, and other birds that are the size of sparrows that I can't think of the names now. But I've even seen mourning doves up here drinking, but not with this thing on here. So it's coming out so the birds can use it again. And that's my own opinion. Well, thanks a lot for watching, and I'll talk to you next time. Bye.